This is a video to show us how to log in and navigate our Everyday Math website. We are using ConnectEd, which you can find the link for that right in our stream. It is also on the login and password sheet, this PDF right here. Everybody should have their redemption codes already put in, and we should be ready to just go right into the website. So when we click on this link, you're going to notice there's a lot of classes here. We're looking for My Class with the Sandcastle, and then you're going to look for your name. And then when you find your name, you are going to click on the animal and you're going to put in your password. Well, Miss Cottrell, I don't know what my password is. So if you don't remember your password, you're going to go to this PDF right here, right? And you're going to find your name, find your symbol, and locate the number, fruit, and shape. So the student I'm logging in for is 4 orange star. So I'm going to put in the 4, the orange, and the star, and I'm going to click log in. Now, when we come into here, we're going to click launch. This is our everyday math, right? This is us right here. So we're going to go ahead and click that. It might not pop up for you. The student actually is in 2 different classes. And here is going to be the lesson that we are working on. Now, I am going to try my best to make sure that the lesson we are working on is also the lesson that is on this page, but sometimes we might be a day or 2 off. You can always go back to a lesson. If we are ahead and we haven't gotten there yet, you can go back to the lesson. The other day, I asked for you to explore our everyday math games. We're going to be doing these typically on Fridays, on our Flexi Friday. I might give you a specific game to play. Our skill builder games are our games from first grade with first grade skills and practice skills. Grade 2 are going to be skills that we are focusing on in second grade. And then our challenge are ones that are a little bit more difficult. As you'll see, there's fractions, division. Those are things we might not necessarily get to this year. And then if you click on these, Top It was in all the other ones as well, but these are Top It to 200, to 100 with fractions. So it's different levels of the same game. Okay. Also, what we have on here is our e-toolkit, which I love and I use all the time. The e-toolkit has all of your different everyday math tools. So you have your base 10 blocks, you have your decks of cards, money, numbers, and time, you have clocks, you have dice, you have dominoes, you have fact triangles, you have geoboards and money, number grids, and number lines. We have pattern block templates, we have thermometers, all different things here. And then you also have your backgrounds. Don't know that you'll use these too much, but you should definitely take a look and explore these different parts to our ConnectEd. Now, as far as assignments, as of right now, there's not going to be any assignments in there unless I give you a test or a quiz, and then you will find it in there, but we will get to that when it is time for that. And then some of the other things that we have on here is you actually can look at your books. So you have your volume 1 math journal, but it is on here. There is an online version of it, just like the paper one that you have. Okay, so you can actually find the pages that we would be working on in class. You might not need to use this because you actually have the book itself. And then we also have our reference book. The reference book is exactly that. It's a book we use to refer to teach us how to play different games. There's lots of charts in here. In our table of contents, you can see it's broken into the different sections, different standards. It talks about place value, it talks about time, money. So we may come to our reference book every now and again during our lessons, and this is where you would find it. So this is a great resource for all different things that we are doing in math. There are videos, tutorial videos. So if there is something that you are struggling with or having some problems with, you can watch a video on it. And I believe that is pretty much all of the parts to this. So it's really simple to log in. Just make sure you have your login card close by. And as I said, we will definitely be using this on Fridays during Flexi Friday. I may be asking you to go onto here to use the toolkit, and we might do that as a class, and we might be using the reference book as well. So it's a great website that's really going to help support us during our math this year.